Jagas another new video. So how are you guys? I hope everyone is good. Ram, all our brothers. So our first song has come. Brother, all brothers go and support, and brother, right now we are off to shoot a reel. Brother, watch this video a little bit, we clap together. It was not even in one hand, and brother, take out all the things and all the brothers go. Shoot some reels and shoot some videos, stay in the video and all the brothers spend the meter. Now such songs will keep coming, and brother, comment how did you like the song, brother, we have made it all the way from our side, so right now let's go. Which one is? Might or right? This is mine. And brother, how are you? Good sir, good. How are you? The system hangman. Brother, I don't know if you will tell me, then I am saying, and the fans will comment more. Brother Sahab Itni Naka Hai Sung, brother is our brother. And brother. He is like our neighbor from the village, and brother, how is Balwan? Okay, this is our brother King standing, who is the king of all. The one who has put it in the video, India first plant is standing, his father is standing. This is our Thar standing, brother, we will take it with us. The cloth is in Kundu Thar, cloth is correct, check the oil in all, the rest is full circle fit, brother. Brother Nan, put all the secret, brother, we will take our heartbeats with us. And brother Master, gave such a relationship. How is brother Swaraj Wala? Brother, our beloved brother Dogger from Palwal. This brother came to my mind that only you can drive it. It has a big tire. I am getting used to driving it. Brother, the car Fortuner I have given to Sonu. Sonu must have driven it there. Someone is standing outside, brother 507. Someone else will drive it, brother. So for now, let's go without any delay. The sun is getting more intense. It might get hot as well. Look, brother, all your tractors are coming. Look, you will. Burn those who are burning. Yes, keep it safe, brother. Support your brother, Ashu brother. Don't stay up till the top. New songs will keep coming. Meets will keep coming, and you will keep loving all the brothers. You will read and keep doing whatever will work, brother. Yes, just keep your heart safe, brother. Now there will be blasts. Yes. Our audience is number one, my brother. We have a big audience. Don't stop at midnight, brother. You stand at midnight, you will earn more money in life than it's right. Brother, check the drift. Now for the first time, Fortuner will drift today. I will show it to all of you. Oh brother, oh your brother, all your dust will go away, friend. Look up, brother, he has done it. 60 locks are going around. Would-be locks are going around. Okay, brother, now let's see. Brother will show you by hitting his tractor.
मस्त बात
Wearing wide tires, the boy of Black Thar do a deer drift. Leave the ground, come with a storm. Cheat, stand okay, slap the back. Hey, he doesn't default on his debt. The boy is made a lover by a weapon. Your friend calls him Nice King. Oh glory, your friend calls him Nice King. Oh glory, your friend's name is Brother. Hold on for a while.
But after seeing your video, I got scared, brother.
Brother, he is going to scare me. Ask about my village, my mother's district Panipat in Haryana.
Ask.
Ask the name of Otochin King Boy Nishu Deshwal.
Ask. Haryana's mother's district, Panipat. Ask my name, Tochin. proud, Nether King, say your friend, Gory, your friend, I heard the whole song, heard the song. Wide tires, take the black thars boy, JG, give a drip, I'm done. Then brother Thar, your king, say your friend, Gory, your friend, Nether King, say your friend, Gory, your friend, hold on, brother, hold on,
Victory was caught brother Madhuri Dixit, Shilpa Sadie, but after seeing your video, I got scared brother. Brother, the one who is scared, the mothers.
District, Panipat, ask my village, Otojan King Boy, ask the name of Nishu Deswal, ask the name of Haryana's mother's district, Panipat, ask my name, Otojan King Boy, ask the name of Nishu Deswal. Meet me brother Rohit Deswal, there is a crowd. King, your friend Gory, your friend said, King. Gory, your friend said.
Our village is Panipat district and Tehsil.
Queen shakes on the road, there is dust in it, the snake plays in your dapata. Yes friend, your love, how hero do you look? Queen shakes on the road, there is dust in it, the snake plays in your dapata. Your friend, how hero do you look? Keep the branch of the regal tree shining. How do you wash the car? Nice King said, your friend said, Gory, your friend said, friend. Here brother, now it's the turn of the bulldozer. We will do something with the bulldozer. Let's see whether we will drift or stand. Om J Om yes, December heartbeats brother. Heartbeats will remain brother. I will come in the last. Yes, I will turn and get down and tell me I will. Get down slowly, 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 slowly. Let it be calm, brother. Look, hard work is going on, brother. Keep working hard day and night. The higher you start going, the lower the ones. We have gone too far these days. There is no one, brother. It is work. Keep doing it. Take it this high. Hold your hand. No one cuts your hair. Okay, and the day you scared, the people above are scared. Someone is scared of someone. Someone will be at home. I will. Say only one thing. Those who pull your feet are upset. Volenath has held your hand. Let's go. Brother, oh brother. Our brother is leaving behind such a name. The one who hits every time will remain immortal. And we, brother, will keep going like this. There is so much breath of bathing in this body. Now I will run it, brother. Let's go. Comment the video, brother. If you felt something wrong, sorry to all the brothers, but all of you keep supporting. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, brother. You all have made my Instagram 4 million. Support the song like this, brother. You may accept it as your younger brother, but brother, I will upload videos of brother and Joe. Rohit brother is not available, brother. Till date I have found all of them. What I mean by Joe, I mean brother, I have not done any nonsense in the video. If someone from behind or my family members are showing off or bothering me, then brother, I should take notice of that or something. Otherwise, brother, I never say anything to anybody, because brother, they are in love and here I am here. If they will not love me, then brother, how will we get so much success? Tell me. The love of all of you is also important, brother. Something like this. Wow, only was fun. Let it be. Hey, she said, get up my mind.